Hello everyone. We are starting the live in less than 1 minute. So first of all, I will let you guys read the risk disclaimer just here. And today we are going to focus on the Dow Jones. Is the Dow Jones going to the 30,000 points level this week? The market will the market be bullish this week, or will not be bullish, and will basically return to lower level? This is our main focus for today. 30 seconds left before we start this new Pip show together and this new live trading session together. Feel free to ask anything on the chat if you have any questions. And we have also a lot of strategies to see together. Gold, oil, the euro against the US dollar, VIX. We are also going to have a quick look at the equity market. So feel free to ask your questions. So let's go. The timer is right now over. Okay, go. So let me show you this chart. So basically, this is the chart of the US oil. The WTI is basically right now quoting at $50 per barrel. So this is an acceptable price to start looking at oil. Some people say that we are going to $40 per barrel on the oil market. Some others are bullish right now. I'm currently bullish. So basically, this is what I shared with you last Thursday or Friday. I don't remember. I think it was Thursday. For me, oil is right now bullish, and we have a good opportunity to get bullish on oil. We lost more than 25% this year on WTI. And for me, we are right now living an excessive bearish move. The configuration and the technical outlook is quite similar to what we experienced here during the summer of 2019. So basically, just have a quick look at the chart. We lost almost the same, 20%, something like this. We had a small range period of small range, and I would say a small hesitation move on the WTI before we had the bullish breakout. Okay, so for me, we are just testing the support level. We can even go we can even go to $48 per barrel on WTI, and I will not even panic on it, because the support level is around that price. Okay, 48, 50, even $52 per barrel is a good price to get long. This is no investment advice, guys. This is only my view, and this is only the trade I will probably take for myself. Don't see any investment advice here. And for me, if I start buying, if I start to build a buying position on the US oil and so basically the WTI around 48, 49, maybe $50 per barrel, I would probably close all of that around 57, $58 per barrel, maybe 60. The average price I'm targeting is 57, 58. All right, so this is the level I'm targeting with my buying position. So I will buy right here. I have a level filter set on the WTI around this level, so 50, 52, 50, something like this. And I'm targeting basically 58 minimum. Okay, 57, 58 is the minimum level I'm targeting. I wanted to show you also this chart. So basically, Tesla, we published a video. So if you are talking French, and if you speak French, go directly on our YouTube channel. We published a video last night about Tesla, where it's going, why Tesla just boomed recently, and why maybe it's not a good it's not a good idea to get long on Tesla at this price. So basically, I share my view. And if you speak French, I invite you to go to our YouTube channel and just click and have a quick look at the last video we published on Tesla. I'm waiting for Tesla to drop at $550 per share to get long, to start building a long position, etc. This is interesting for me, but at $770 per share, Tesla, it's not interesting at all for me. It's overpriced for what it is. This is fine. Tesla is a good stock. Tesla is a stock with a lot of potential. I mean, the technological disruption Tesla offered to the market is just huge. But let's not, I would say, enter into a buying panic move. Okay, let's not enter a FOMO move, like a fear of missing the opportunity move. Okay, it will not be smart of us, and I will say that $550 per share is what I can call, what I can say, a good price. Apple. So, Apple, is it time to get long? Is it time to short? What I'm doing? What am I doing on this? Basically nothing. Basically, I have no strategy on Apple. I was discussing that with one of the member of my team. This is funny because this is a stock that is very bullish. There is no doubt about that. But this is a stock where it is very difficult to get long when you miss the right time to get long. Okay, and this is quite crazy because we were talking being bullish on Apple last year in November. In December, we spoke about that on our Peep Show. The Peep Show was in French only at that time, but I was saying that we had to be bullish on Apple, that we could reach those levels. We reached those levels, but now, what can I say? What can I say? What is the target? I can't even put a price target on it because it's already the market is already high, and for me it will not make sense to enter Apple right now if you missed the move of last December or last November. So it's bullish, yeah, but not right now. It will not make any sense in terms of a risk to reward ratio. If you look at the risk to reward ratio. So Amazon, very good results last week. The earnings were just amazing. Jeff Bezos did a killing in the last quarter of 2019. Amazon saw some huge profits coming in. Amazon, just to say, invested a lot early 2019 into creating and buying warehouses across major cities in the US. Those investments paid off during the last quarter of 2019, and now we are just seeing a big and huge bullish move. But what is important is that it's important and not at the same time, but Jeff Bezos just cashed out $7 billion worth of Amazon stock. Basically, Amazon took 20% and just took off, and Bezos took this opportunity to sell some of his stock, and he sold $7 billion worth of stock. So that is an important fact to know. Okay, let me show you now the euro against the US dollar. So here, so here, as you can see, we have something that is bearish. We have something that will probably go to 105. Each rebound on the euro against the US dollar is an opportunity for me to get short. Why? Because you make money on the direction of the trade. Two, because you make money on the rollover by simply holding that short position into your portfolio. So this is called a carry trade. And every day it's the same things happen. I mean, the market is bearish, and every rebound is an opportunity to get short. And this is what I'm saying since 2018, and it was still true in 2019. It is still true in 2020. At the beginning of this year, we had a rebound. I got short again on euro dollar. Some people told me that I was maybe crazy. Maybe I was, but this time, like last year and like the year before, we are good on the euro dollar. So now let's focus on what can happen next. So for me next, we can see we can easily have a euro dollar coming back to 110. Okay, coming back to 110, making and creating like a rebound. I would say a rebound move. But this would be an opportunity for me to add a new short position to it and to reinforce my short position that I was building at the beginning of the year. So if the euro rise against the US dollar and we face and we meet again the 110 on the euro dollar, I will definitely think and open, I'll say, a new position and a new short position to reinforce my short exposure on the euro and to add my USD exposure into my portfolio. So that would be the plan for me. Goldman Sachs, Google, etc. All of those equities are bullish, and the US market is opening in less than 8 minutes. So we will have an answer on this. So let's have a quick look at race. Race is Ferrari, for those of you who are wondering what is what is this stock race. Race is the Ferrari stocks. So this is an automobile car maker, and I will even say sport car maker. So again, regarding Ferrari, what do we have? Okay, takes time, but great things takes time usually. It is still bullish, but we are in the trading range. Nothing to worry about. Let me have a quick look also at this precise stock. So we will have a look at LVMH. So LVMH is the ticker is called MC, and I'm not talking about a rapper or something. So LVMH, for me, this is a stock that is bullish. On the short term, LVMH suffered because of the coronavirus. You know that LVMH is strongly exposed to China and to Asia in general. And what happened with the coronavirus is that a lot of major Chinese cities told their citizens that they cannot move anymore, etc. This had a huge impact on the consumption of luxury goods, such as the LVMH products, and this is why we saw the stock losing more than I'll say something like 10%, yeah, 9 to 10% on the stock market. But long term, this is a stock that makes sense. This is a stock that is strong, and this is a stock. This is a stock that is that clearly that is clearly bullish regarding the fundamentals of LVMH in general. All right, guys. I think that's all for us today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask your questions on the Wood of Arya World Facebook group. We see each other tomorrow for a new live, and wish you all a good end of day. The US market is opening in 6 minutes.